Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're back with another shortcut tutorial, and yeah, there's still more. I don't even know if there's more after this, to be honest, but I know there's another one here, and it is reverse playback. Yeah, making your video go backwards, you know, stuff like that. I'm going to do a tutorial on that today, so if this helps you, then make sure you smash the thumbs up. Great wishes. I still can't talk. Last video I couldn't do it, I couldn't do my outro, still can't do it. My hair's sticking up. Anyway, you're enough topic now. So I just have this video for the Rebona crossbar trailer. I have this clip, okay, and it's all just Rebona. Boom. Okay, so the bit I want to reverse is kicking it here, and when it goes into the go. So I want to reverse right here. This is where I want to reverse. So basically, so you play through your clip. Say, alright, I want it to come back right there. So I need to cut it there, and I need to go back to where I want the reverse to end. Really, and then I'm just going to move this back. I'm going to select this. Select my clip. I'm going to go into properties. I'm going to go into properties. Then I'm going to scroll down until I find reverse, or it may be in here. I don't know. It's not right here, then it'll probably be in here. But I want to click reverse. Okay. And then I just want to click save. And yeah, I may have already done this to test if it works. I did use a tutorial. Shout out to Tux Designer for helping me with this. I used this a few days ago, that failed, but all we really need is this. I'm going to pull that into here. I don't know why I didn't put it in here, and because of the type of clip that I have, I am just going to make a copy of this and put it right in here, because if I don't, then it's just not going to look right, and you would see why. I'll remove it later, but now you can see there's that. Boom. I will now remove that and show you what it looks like if you don't put that on like a clip like this. A clip like this does matter, so you know. Doesn't look right at all. Nah. Don't look right. No. It's not right. No. But this is nice and flush. If you add that clip in there, you get Rebona, comes back, Rebona again. And so that's how you reverse a shortcut. So, if this helps you, then please smash a thumbs up. That'll let the video get promoted and maybe help other people that are looking for the same thing, because there's not really many videos on it, and I'm trying to, you know, just make TikTok. No, I don't have TikTok. Why am I saying TikTok? Shotcut. Trying to make Shotcut easier for like small YouTubers like myself that don't want to go out and spend the money on like editing softwares that actually cost money. I'm just trying to make it easier for them, you know, because this is free, so, you know, watermarks, it's easy to use. But, you know, if you don't have a tutorial, you're sitting there like, yo, the hell am I doing? You're sitting there like, yo, what am I doing? I've got no clue what after I posted, eh? I know, like, what's the was? I use tutorials, so that's why I'm making tutorials. Why am I going on a big conversation about this? I'm trying to stretch the video out, but anyway, yeah, I'm not going to say much, so hit the subscribe button, you know, we're not that far off 250, I mean, we're like, what, 39, I think we're on 211 now, we're like 39 away, so come on, we could do it. Like, VidIQ says I'm going to reach it in 2022. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you, hopefully, all in the next one. Peace out. As you can see if you're watching this, obviously, I mean, yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just going to do a quick run round because my face cam is about to die. So yeah, we just got emotes.